Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rice in a crock pot. First, select your preferred rice, such as long-grain white or brown rice. It's crucial to rinse 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch for a fluffier result. Then, gather your liquid, typically 1 3/4 cups of water or broth, and a small pinch of salt. These simple steps ensure a perfect foundation for your delicious crock pot rice. Now, let's set up your crock pot for success. Combine your rinsed 1 cup of rice with 1 3/4 cups of your chosen liquid directly into the crock pot insert. For an even better texture and to prevent sticking, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil. Secure the lid tightly. Cook on the low setting for approximately 2 to 3 hours, or if you're in a hurry, on high for about 1 hour. The consistent heat will do the work. Once the cooking time is nearing its end, it's time to check your rice. After about 2 hours on low or 45 minutes on high, carefully lift the lid and taste a small amount. If the rice is still a bit firm or has too much liquid, replace the lid and continue cooking for another 30 minutes. When it's perfectly tender and all the liquid is absorbed, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving. This separates the grains beautifully. To elevate your crock pot rice, consider these helpful tips. Instead of plain water, use chicken or vegetable broth for a richer, more savory flavor profile. You can also infuse your rice with aromatic herbs like a bay leaf or a pinch of dried thyme added to the liquid. Remember, resist the urge to frequently lift the lid during cooking, as this releases valuable heat and steam, extending your overall cooking time. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.